Hello, this is Peter from First Maths. Today we are looking at examining statistics for Year 6. Here are the resources: calculators and a worksheet, mental learning objective, identify and use appropriate operations to solve word problems, mental learning task. Children are to work in pairs. One child in each pair is given a calculator. So the class now consists of 2 teams. Team 1, calculators. Team 2, the minds. Call out some mental arithmetic problems using all 4 rules and tell everyone to work them out. Mentally if they are a mind, on a calculator if they are a calculator. Hand up when you have a solution. Choose one pair and establish which of them to put their hand up first. Then check they both have the same correct answer. Whichever child puts their hand up first wins a point for their team. After a while, give the calculators to your partner. Play again. Pause the video while you do this activity. Which team wins this time? Pause the video until you play the second time. Mental learning objective. Identify and use appropriate operations to solve word problems. Main learning objective. Explain methods and reasoning orally and in writing. I can clearly present information and solve problems appropriately. That is the big idea of the day, to keep it in your mind. Main learning task. Soon you'll be moving to secondary school. Today we'll look at a school statistics. Hand out a copy of the worksheet. What will you deduce or work out from this information? Deducing means making deductions. This is the worksheet. How would we answer each of these following questions? Are you ready? Blase Secondary School. How many pupils are there? Pause the video and work out the answer. The ratio of boys to girls. Pause the video and work out the answer. The class size we can expect each year. Pause the video and try to find the answer. How many lessons each class has a week? Pause the video and look for the answer. How many lessons are there for each subject? Pause the video and look for the answer. How many teachers will we have each year? Pause the video and look for the answer. What will our timetable look like? Pause the video and look for the answer. What the budget is spent on? Pause the video and look for the answer. Main learning task. Now you're going to do some of your own deductions. Find out the answers to some of the questions posed by the class. Simplification. Answer these questions. How many pupils are in each year? How many pupils in the whole school? Are there more girls than boys in the school? Are there more girls than boys in each year? Main learning task. Challenge. Solve these problems. In Year 7, students take 14 subjects but don't have the same number of lessons of each. They have 4 lessons a week in each of maths, science and English. Suggest a timetable so that the 30 periods all the subjects have at least 1 lesson a week. Pause the video and solve this question. Find the ratio of boys to girls in each year. Find the Pause the video and solve this question. This is the worksheet. How many different questions can you ask about this page, and can you find the answers? So write questions and write down as many answers as you can. Here comes the next slide. Main learning objective. Explain methods and reasoning orally and in writing. Plenary. Has anyone finished their task? What did you find out? How could you present this information for others to use and read? Pause the video and discuss these questions with the class. Review of the key idea. I can clearly present information and solve problems appropriately. Did you learn this in today's lesson? Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a maths resource. I look forward to seeing you again very, very soon. Bye!